Your princes remind us that education and faith walk hand in hand and that
أهلا بقوم صالحين ذوي التقى أهلا تبوأتم من الجنة مقعدا سدد الله.
Let us continue to seek knowledge, serve our community and uphold the.
We have paid so far for primary health care close to 13 billion. For the social health insurance fund, we have paid close to 75 billion. And for the public medical scheme, we have paid close to 3.5 billion. And for emergency, chronic and critical fund, we have paid about $1 billion. But we will only pay after we do due diligence, we do clinical review, and that is SHA. SHA will do due diligence, forensic audit, clinical review, to make sure that the services you have offered is the right one and the Kenyan patient has got it. So wale wanasema hatulipi pesa ni wale ambaye bado tunachunguza the claims that they have lodged with the Social Health Authority. The law allows us that we must pay within 90 days upon verification, review, validation, and forensic audit.